A very warm welcome to class 8. After a long time we are meeting. After a long time of this PT2 examinations which you all have already done with. Yes, your results are more or less been prepared. It's on process. But what is my observation I need to discuss with you all, then only I can move ahead. Children, again there is an issue in the grammatical part which I have seen. The deduction of marks is just because of the understanding or the sentence formation, or as because it's a maximum of MCQ only, it was hardly of 20 marks paper, but still reading part is also really very weak because you have not read the paragraph nicely. That's the reason behind you are facing a number of problems while you are answering the questions. Children, those who have kept their videos off, I will mark them as absent. And Neha ma'am is doing so.
Ma'am, so what can I do?
You have told me, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Except you, everyone has to do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So, regarding reading part, why reading is weak? Can anyone tell me what is the issue with the reading part, reading section? Why are you not able to answer perfectly? The easiest part of the question paper. Can anyone tell me what's the problem you are facing? Okay, Saksham. What is the problem? What problem you all are facing in the reading section? Just let me know. Any one of you? Any one of you? Have you all faced any problem? Yes? आप लोगों ने कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस किया रीडिंग सेक्शन में?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Right now I don't have the name list, but I have seen problems in the reading section. Specifically while the word meanings are there. Specifically when the synonym is asked. Right? Okay. Now we come to the next portion. That is extract. Again in extract part, I have seen students, those who have not any proper marks. Can I know the problem? Extract from the chapter as well as from the poetry part. Have you all faced any problem regarding that?
No, ma'am.
No problem, no issues?
No, ma'am.
I'm here to clear your doubt, children. Today is the first period after your examination. I need to talk to you all regarding the question paper first. Have you all faced any problem regarding the extract from the poetry?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sure. When you will get the marks and the PDF, don't tell me that, ma'am, मैंने तो सही किया था.
Yes, ma'am.
Gunjan, you're a bit confused?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, question number 3 means 4th.
I don't have the question paper right now. Can you tell me the question, please? I don't have the question paper right now.
Ma'am, I have also not questions.
Okay, can you tell me what was there?
Ma'am, the answer was because
yes,
of
ma'am,
lack of
I remember
exercise.
that question.
Excuse me. One by one. Yes?
Why caribou grow fat?
Okay. So, what do you think so? What was the reason?
Because of the different kind of food.
Ma'am, can I tell answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, temperature.
Ma'am, because of lack of exercise.
Yes, ma'am, because of lack of exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. The answer is because of lack of exercise.
Yes, ma'am, right answer.
Correct answer. So, this
Okay,
is
ma'am.
the way, children, I request you all in your final exam, you will be having the syllabus after your half yearly portion. Means first half won't be coming now. So what I request you all that you have to develop your reading activity more and more, understand it very clearly. If you face any issues, any problem while you are reading the chapter or the poetry, if you have any confusions, I am always there to clear your doubts. Beforehand, you just send me your doubts, your queries through the WhatsApp, and I will obviously and surely clear all your doubts, but in a proper manner. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First point. Second point, grammatical part. Grammar was the easiest part, what I have given you all this time. In finals, it is going to be tough.
Yes, ma'am.
Dear children, my dear children, still I have seen many students not getting full marks in grammar. Who all face problem? Just let me know first. I'm moving stepwise, reading, then extract, then the grammar part. So can I know please who all have faced problem in the grammar? Any one of you?
No, ma'am. We can't. I can't face
Ma'am, you
problem.
know when we will get the answer sheet?
Very soon, beta. Very soon. Very soon. Before I think so before our Republic Day. Okay. Fine. Now,
Ma'am, via LMS.
I think so. Let us see. I cannot assure you 100%, but yes, it will be done. One important notice is there, children. Today you will be getting one notice through our school WhatsApp, a Google form regarding your sports day celebration. Okay, so tomorrow is your sports day celebration. Whichever sports you want to opt for. आपको समझ में आ रही है मेरी English? Whichever sports you want to opt for, please fill the Google form and send it back. Okay. Next is that all the things are being already given in the school WhatsApp group. So please go through that WhatsApp group, whatever information, whatever notice, whatever is there, you can go through it. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will be having a sports day, online sports day, virtual sports day, right? And 6 to 8 are going to have tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So my next point, Janam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Janam. I just want to know, Janam, which type of language should we use while we are writing an application? I have observed this thing. I know I have not given this question in your PT2, but I have seen last year also the problem which you all were facing in your class. Means I'm talking about class 7, last year's class 7. All the 3 sections were facing the problem. That is, I was actually not getting that type of satisfactory level of application. Describe application in proper language, please.
मैम आपकी आवाज आई नहीं एक बार मैम कैन यू रिपीट द क्वेश्चन
Yes, मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या? Can you listen to me clearly? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
now.
Clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Clearly. Okay. So my question to you is, can you tell me the language, the way, the procedure in which we should write application? For example, you are writing a letter to the editor, right? I'm just giving an example, Jenna. You're writing a letter to the editor, and the problem which you have seen is about the children roaming around on the roadside, road corners, and you have you have observed that they are facing lots of issues regarding the child labor and all. So you want to give a message, right? to the all the citizens all over the India, in the state, in the country, that how can we do this? Okay, so can you just draft out the language, just a small draft, okay? So how to start a letter, because this same question, different questions I'm going to put on everyone today, and I want to listen pattern what you are writing. Shade, please switch off your mic.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, from the body.
See, just draft it out. I'm going to be on the board now. You will tell me and I will write it down. Okay, Jainam?
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Just I want to see Jainam on the screen. Okay. Jainam, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm moving. Wait, let me go to the screen first. So I'm going to be on the board now. Can you see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because this problem I have seen not only in your class, in all the classes, right from 6 to 10, the language issue. Okay. So for example, this is the blank page in front of you, children. And fine, okay, I'm drawing one margin in front of you. Now you will tell me how to do it. I'm not going to write anything. Just I've drawn one simple line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, Jainam, what to do.
Ma'am, first we will at the left corner we will write 2.
Means here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read it. Then
The editor in the next line.
okay. Then
Ma'am, in
Okay,
next
good
line,
morning, ma'am.
like,
good.
any address like
Excuse me, Jainam. Who entered just now? Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you late?
Ma'am, I was having breakfast.
So is it the way Chaitanya to enter into my class? Better be out of my class now.
Ma'am, sorry.
No need to say sorry. You be out of my class. If you want to have breakfast between the gap of the periods. 2 periods you are having 10 minutes time. Or you take permission from me, switch off the video and have your breakfast. But you should be in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
From next time if I see you 1 minute late in my class, you better be out of my class. I don't like all those things. I'm observing everything, even the time also.
Yes.
From next time I don't want all these things, Chaitanya. And I don't expect it from you.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Jainam, we were continuing with the letter. You told me that on the extreme left to the margin, we have to write to the editor. Then, Jainam,
ma'am, do we have to write sender's address?
I asked you how to write an application, the format as well as the language. Simple, a simple format. I don't know anything. I'm a layman.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, to the editor, and then we will write any address like
Times of India. Fine.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
Ma'am, okay, then we will leave a line and then we will write date.
Okay, I left the line. Fine. Today's date is 18, so let's write 18. Okay. Eighteen 01/21. Fine. Then Jana,
Ma'am, do we write 18 December, ma'am, because 18 December 2021? Sorry, 18 January.
I wrote that only.
तो मैम मतलब मुझे पढ़ाए थे कि हम लोग पूरा लिखते हैं पूरा 18 जनवरी 2021.
Yes, I wanted to do that. Yes. Now you're getting me what I want from you all. That means I have to write 18 Jan
Yes, ma'am.
2021. Am I right now?
Yes, ma'am, January. Okay.
Next step.
Ma'am, then we will write subject.
What type of subject should we write? How we should write a subject?
Mm,
A subject.
uh, mm,
Means, for example, I'm talking about you have to write a letter to the editor regarding the situation or the condition of the child labor in this country. Are you getting me the question? It's an instant question to you. So, what should be the subject then?
problem of child labor.
Children, here only we are making a, what should I say, mistake. Subject should always be in a precise form and it should be catchy. It should be attractive because whosoever XYZ is going to read out your application, that particular person will first go through the subject. Okay? The person will first go through the subject. And what will be the subject? We should write like concern about the child labor.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
I'm talking to all the students' children. Please mind it. I am just discussing this question with a particular friend of yours because to let everyone know the issues, the problem. This is just a discussion. This is just a healthy discussion, nothing else. Don't feel ashamed or don't feel bad कि मैम उससे बात नहीं कर रही है. It's nothing like that. Okay. The next turn will be yours anytime at any moment. Because the body I will ask from someone else. I'm just talking about the structure, the format. So like concern about the child labor. So this is like a very catchy kind of subject, very precise form of subject, and it is very attractive. Don't you think so? The moment a person will see the topic, the subject as concern about what? Child
Labor.
labor. So the person will start reading the problem and the issues. What is actually you want to describe about? What you want to say about? Clear? Am I clear? Now. So what will be the next thing, Jena?
Respected sir / madam.
Okay, respected sir or ma'am, right. Respected sir or ma'am. Am I right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
what important thing you all are
Ma'am.
noticing or not? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I want to ask something. Ma'am, that when you are means आप जब लेटर चैप्टर बताए थे आपने एक वीडियो दिखाया था In that video,
Sender's address was there.
what, ma'am?
Sender's address was there.
No, ma'am. In that, matlab, it was written that if we are not knowing gender, so we will write sir only.
So if we don't know the gender, we can write mention sir also. It's totally up to you. Better normally what happens, nowadays we come to know about the gender. Okay, nowadays we normally to know about the gender, no problem. That is okay. You are correct, and there is no issue regarding that. Fine. Okay, but what I mean to say is, we will come to the point. I will show you one video now also after this letter, because I have seen lots of problem, especially with the subject part. Rubbish subject. The whole question is written in the subject. This is the issue. This is the problem what you are facing. If I am not wrong. Yes, Ara? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Disha? Disha? Disha?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next turn to Keshav. Thank you, Jena. Next turn to Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Keshav. Now tell me one thing, that the body of the letter of the application, okay, how should actually we start with? How should we go on with? How should we go on with the body of the letter? Means I'm talking about the
First our information, then about what we are talking, that then conclusion.
Can you just tell me the first line how to begin with? Can you just tell me the first line how to begin with? Who will tell me? Raise your hands.
Ma'am, may I, Naman?
Okay, Naman.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we will means write our name, address. Ma'am, this
You just
I am Naman.
whatever you will tell me, I will write it on the board. I am just showing you what you want to say. Just tell me how will I start.
I am Naman. I am Naman from Gundadei.
Okay.
Yeah, in my colony there is problem of child labor, and then we will start means uh, tell it in detail.
Yes.
We will write the causes of that issue, and then in last we will means advise that from this can be means.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, Janam, please go on with first. Then I will come to Chaitanya. Yes, Janam.
Yes, ma'am. Like we can write through the columns of your esteemed daily news. I
Yes.
wish to raise my voice
Hold on.
for the.
Let me write, Janam. Let me write.
Hmm.
Yes, please start. Start.
Through the columns.
Shall we start with through any letter?
Mm, from no, no.
Ma'am, can I please?
Yes, Chaitanya.
Yes. Ma'am, after respected, ma'am, we have to put comma, and then from next line we have to start that. Uh, I am Chaitanya Jain from.
No, beta.
We have to write our address.
I'm sorry. My question was, you are a citizen, concerned citizen. You are having concern about the child labor in the country, in the state. You are really very tensed about the issue. You want to sort out the problem. So you need to bring that concern. So what you write, as a responsible citizen of your country, ठीक है? As हाँ बोलो।
मैम सबसे पहले नाम लिखना और फिर एड्रेस मतलब लिख देना, आई एम फ्रॉम हियर और मेरा नाम ये है।
That actually Janan has forgot it. We should write the sender's address. I was just keeping quiet that what you are going to do.
Yes.
Now how you should write? As a concerned citizen, as a responsible citizen of this country, myself, Chaitanya, or blah 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 XYZ. Okay.
Yes.
This particular city wants to express my views that as I have observed the situation around our locality and in our city as well as in the state, I really want to convey a message to all the citizens over the country that to stop child labor and misuse them. आ रही है मेरी बात समझ में?
मैम एकदम समझ में।
Yes, ma'am.
You are a third person, children. You are a third person, right?
हाँ।
You are, I'm sorry. You are a first person. You are talking to the second person about the third person. What should be the language of the letter? I cannot say you are talking about the third person. You cannot give your own name first. You should write, मैं एक responsible नागरिक हूँ.
मैं इस देश का एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल नागरिक हूँ।
Yes. Getting me? How to write?
Yes, yes.
Copy down this particular question in your copy, and I want a proper language. Please don't Google it. I request, please don't Google it. You will get it from everywhere. If you want to know, that was the reason why I am discussing the whole letter in the class itself. In my next class, I will ask you all to teach the same thing. I will be a teacher. And I want that quality of language. That is our learning outcome, children. What you learned from this chapter, what did you do since so many years you are practicing applications? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
But the language of the application is too bad. That's why I'm not able to give you all marks. Okay? If you want a good quality of English, you have to develop your English. And this can only happen by regular practice and nothing else. Please, I request all of you to note down this particular question in your copy as a revision, as a practice. Please go through this question, write down your answer, and please be very careful. This is your margin. You will not move from your margin even a single bit. You have to stick to the margin and write. And it should be in a same line. Clear? Am I very clear to everyone?
Of course, ma'am, you are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to ask from Ishika. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it very clear? Okay. So Ishika, one more thing. I've already uploaded one link in the group, okay, for uploading that art integration work, if you all remember. So please upload the same art integration which you have made for Gujarat and upload it. I will go through the responses.
Yes.
Okay,
Ma'am, I tried it in portal. It is not possible.
it was not possible.
Portal not possible.
You all forward it in my WhatsApp group. Now it will be okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what
I
we
have
have to
mailed you
forward
that.
Gujarati, Chhattisgarh PDF.
You all have mailed me.
Yes, ma'am. I have also mailed
Ma'am.
you that art
Yes,
integration.
ma'am.
No problem. I will check it out and I will note it down. Clear?
Ma'am, I forgot what we did in that art integration.
You discuss with your friends, they will tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? But do it by 20th. Fine?
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
through the link, go through the regarding sports day, fill up the Google form, whichever sports you want to opt for, submit it today, anytime you can do this so that you can be enrolled for that particular sports. Okay, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will have your sports day, virtual sports day. So be prepared for that also. Enjoy your time, right?
Yeah.
Love you, Sony.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what was my question of application? What you have to do?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, children. Hmm? What do you have to do, Lavya?
Yes, ma'am.
I taught something in the whole class. I'm asking you the same question. What you have to do? Playing with that box. Lavanya, can you tell us what we have to do? Lavanya, can
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yes, what we have to do, children, child? What is your work? Lavanya also forgot it. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Shishika.
Ma'am, we have to make PPT on Gujarat.
That is okay, beta. I'm talking about this.
Oh, sorry.
You have to write an application to the editor regarding the concern about child labor. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Welcome.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.